Yeah, they're shrimp.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today, as you saw in the intro, it is my sister Grace's birthday. Well, not today, it's on Tuesday, today's Sunday. I decided to make dinner for her. I'm gonna make her dinner twice. Today's a Sunday, so my immediate family is gonna be coming over and there is a little surprise element to this because she doesn't know that my extended family will be coming over for cake and dessert later. She's not aware of it, everyone else is, so hopefully everyone is able to just zip it and not let her know, but I don't know if she's already caught on or not. Tomorrow, I'll also be making her another dinner. Her birthday's on Tuesday, and Tuesday she has plans with Kevin. They're going out to eat dinner with Ella, so I decided to make her 2 dinners in a row because Grace is the biggest foodie I know, and she loves when I cook for her. So this is just something special I wanted to do for her because she's always there for me and with anything I go through. This is my way of saying I appreciate you. Today we'll be making some chimichurri skirt steak. I'll have a little bit of fries. I got this garlic sticks, I guess. Garlic and cheese sticks from Trader Joe's. I haven't tried it, but I thought it would be good. Making her some asparagus and some grilled corn. My mom also told me that my aunt will be coming today. She just like let me know, hey, you know, your aunt's gonna come. I'm like, okay, well, I already bought groceries. Anyways, it's fine because I decided to use some of the ingredients that I already have to make a really simple olive oil pasta because my sister loves my olive oil pasta. But we'll go ahead and make the chimichurri so we can marinate the steaks in them. A lot of parsley to this. Likewise, a lot of cilantro. Some garlic. I got some red wine vinegar here. So I'll have the directions on there, but I just always do what I feel. This is what I'll be using. Like, you guys, a lot of it. So this is good. So I have salt. My secret weapon is this umami seasoning. I pretty much add it to everything. So a bit of that. A very good amount of oregano. Black pepper. And red chili flakes. Just gonna stir this up. Beautiful this color is. So if you look at the graining, it's this way. So later when we cut it, we want to cut it this way, which is why I'm just cutting it like this right now. Okay, so let me wash my hands. So we'll go ahead and close this up. I'll stick this in the fridge for about like 2.5, 3 hours is the time that I have. I would say 3 hours max. Whew. Okay, so I saw this hack on TikTok of making corn and I wanted to put a little twist to it because I love charred or grilled corn. I love those little burnt marks on it. This pot over here is half full of water and it's boiling. So I'm going to add in my corn. I'm gonna add a splash of milk and half a stick of butter. Now we'll let this cook for about 8 minutes. Now that it's boiling for 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it all out.
Long triangle going on.
Were you ever ready?
Yep. Supposedly it's supposed to be a surprise. 안초아빠. Corn, steak, this. We have fries going on, and I'm making pasta. 할머니 조심히 와요. It's fine. I think my aunt gave me a while ago.
샌디 너무 맛있어. 아, 가져갈까? Did you make it?
Yeah.
Just sauce? 고급스럽네.
감자는 여기서 덜어주세요. 옥수수 많이 드세요.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richard. Happy birthday to you.
이거 봐, 하자.
줘봐. 이게 어머.
우리 엄마 한다 우리 엄마.
사랑하는 우리 엄마 생일 축하한다. 귀여워.
여기 앉아.
앞에 가서 해야지.
우리
생일 축하합니다.
생일 축하합니다.
사랑하는 엄마.
다친 거. 그래. 아, 그거야 그래.
found this sauce, so I think I'm gonna add like half a jar of this. It's not that big of a jar, so I'm gonna add like half of this to the pasta sauce. Red pepper, and we'll add a little bit of the what do you call it? Reserved pasta water later. Ella and Kevin just came back. Flowers and cake and macaron.
It'd be cute if my feet were smaller.
This looks so pretty, doesn't it? I love it. Oil this quickly, but add a little bit of olive oil on top. If I can make this still look decent, I just chopped it like this because I didn't know where to add the slices. I think that's okay, right guys? I don't think I'm okay. I totally forgot about the prosciutto I bought too. What is... Every time I go to the fridge to get something, I'm like, wait, I was supposed to add this. Okay, now I think I'm done. Oh my god.
And then I messed up. So
How was lunch with your parents? Good?
it was so good.
What'd you get?
No, that's
I get the same thing every time.
Oh.
That's the different eating.
I've just dropped every single yapper. Wait, yeah, I just went,
Well, be careful.
Happy birthday, Grace.
happy birthday, Grace. I wanna see. Oh my goodness, what is this? Whoa, is that bruschetta?
Shrimp in here?
Yeah, there's shrimp in there.
Ooh.
Ella, let's not do that. Ella, don't do that.
Ella?
Let's put it back.
Oh crap, I just went and they were there.
Happy birthday! Dad, light has to be dark.
Oh,
Oh,
this is dark as
sorry.
can be,
It's light
girl.
outside.
This is about as dark as it gets.
Yeah.
생일축하 합니다. 생일축하 합니다. 생일축하 우리